Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate the support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about the best portfolio tracker I've found and currently use. The tracker is called Personal Capital, which allows you to track multiple portfolios and different accounts, whether it's a bank account, individual brokerage account, Roth IRA, 401k, or other investment accounts. You can easily glance at the dashboards, get an overview of all your portfolios, and adjust them accordingly. Other features include viewing your allocations, transactions, cash flow, budgeting, and planning for retirement. They also have financial advisors available, but I don't recommend this because it requires a fee. However, all their dashboard tools are completely free, easy to use, and provide a lot of insight. Personal Capital is available on web as well as mobile, so go to your mobile app store and check out Personal Capital. Remember to use my referral code in the description below or my pinned comment below, and both of us get $20 after you link an investment account. I'm recommending Personal Capital because I genuinely think this is the best portfolio tracker that is completely free. I'm not sponsored by Personal Capital and do not have any affiliation with them, other than the fact that I use their tracking tools. All right, let's go to Personal Capital. So within Personal Capital, you can get a breakdown of your holdings, allocation, and sector diversification, which is helpful to see how you can improve your portfolio. So right now I'm in the holdings screen, and at the top you can see your index and how it compares to different benchmarks like the S&P 500, foreign markets, and US bond. And then within holdings so if you're looking at the chart, you can modify the date range to reference. So whether it's 30 days, 90 days, this year, last year, and a custom date range. I personally use 90 days because I can view how it looks in terms of the rolling 90 days, like a quarter. And then under the chart, you can see your specific holdings, which you can sort by the ticker symbol alphabetically, the one-day performance, or by the value. So I like to sort it by value just to get a sense of what are my top holdings. So that was the holdings feature to view specific positions. Now I'm going to go over allocation. So within allocation, you get a dashboard view of the US stocks, international stocks, alternatives, US bonds, and cash. And under that, you get a breakdown of percentage breakdown. And then so for example, if you want to go to look at US stocks, you can click on US stocks and get a sense of what is the percentage breakdown, whether it's large cap, mid cap, small cap, or whether it's value, core, or growth. So let's say, for example, I want to look at what are my large cap growth holdings. I can click on the large cap growth and view the specific holdings. If I notice that, for example, I'm too heavily weighted in growth and I want to focus more on value, then I can see this just by glancing at the dashboard. And I can see what are my large cap value holdings. Same goes for these other asset classes. So if you go to international stocks, you can see whether it's emerging or developed markets. And if you click on a specific one, then you can see the holdings within that market. Alternatives, you can see real estate, gold, energy, and commodities. So that was allocation. Now I'm going to go to this US sector breakdown. So this will break down all your positions based on sector. So whether it's technology, healthcare, industrials, utilities, financials, energy, consumer cyclical, consumer defensive, communication services, and basic materials. And once you select a specific one, like specific sector, then you could get a breakdown of your specific holdings based on percentage. And you can sort these by the total percentage, 1-day performance, or the ticker symbol. And this is really helpful to get a sense of where you're allocating your portfolio based on sector. So for example, if you notice that you're too heavily weighted in technology stocks, then you can adjust accordingly and let's say you don't have any utility stocks, then you can load up on some utility stocks. So it's a great way to get an overview of your portfolio. That's all for this video. What do you use to track your portfolio? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral code and both of us get $20 after you link an investment account. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.